Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we show you how to download the Disney app on your Android device. Whether it's to access Disney Plus, Disney games, or other Disney apps, this guide has you covered. So let's dive in. Open the Play Store app on your Android and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Play Store app on the home page, in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see a search option that you will click on. Then when the app opens the next page, in the search field, type Disney and click on the search engine. When the new page opens, scroll down to the Disney app and click on it. By clicking on the Disney app, the next page will open where you will scroll down to the Install option and click on it. Wait for the installation to complete. The installation process may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, the security system on your Android will check the application in detail and automatically open it. And there you have it. That's how you use the Disney app on your Android device. Now you are ready to enjoy the magic that Disney offers right at your fingertips. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.